I'm a working father of 2 kids and want for my kids to study every day, but my kids want to play the whole day. Every time I ask my son if he did study today, he tells me, yes, I finished my homework, but is this enough? Does homework let him understand everything he gets on school? Does it give him a high degree? Or we should search for something else to help him be a successful student? There are many websites on the internet which give a good education for the children, but most of them are boring for the children or too expensive. As a parent, I want my kids to get the best education they can ever have, but sometimes it's too expensive and with unknown results. I have already registered my children for an education website where they can learn by playing games. It's too expensive, but very handy and I can pay for it. But what about other parents? Can they pay for these games? And does they know how important they are for their children? These questions guided me to an idea to help other parents for free. And with your help, we can make the best gaming education website which can help children to enjoy learning while they are playing. I believe that all children in the world deserve a good education because they are the future. And when they get the right education, we and they will get a comfortable future. I am Haider El-Karami, the head of a web development company who has helped a lot of other companies to make a successful web-based business and ready to help our children to have the best education they deserve. My idea is to make a gaming education web application to our, your and others' children all over the world with the help of local universities. This application will also be available in all language and education methods. If you believe that this is an easy job, I am sorry to tell you that you are wrong. It's a very difficult job and have many technical problems. For example, we want our application to be an international education gaming website. This means that we will face some issues to deal with. One of these issues is every country has its own education methods and language. For example, the language in Iraq is Arabic. To write Abi in Arabic, which means father, you will need to write the following 3 letters from right to left, and you will also need to connect these letters to each other. And the language in the Netherlands is Dutch. And when you write aap in the Netherlands, which means monkey, you will need to write 2 letters, A, which is double A, and P, but you will need to write it from left to right, like most of the world's languages. And as you see, the letters are separated. To solve this issue, we have decoded to bind every profile to 2 properties, country and school year. This will bind all games to these properties and will lead a 4th class student living in the Netherlands to other games than a 4th class student living in Iraq. The other big issue is contacting universities. It's too expensive and needs a lot of human resources. For example, I travel to the countries of these universities. But this will be possible with your help by funding this project.